Vlogmas Day 5! Santa's little elf is ready to light up your holidays. Let's get started with our advent calendar. Today's house is this one. Let's open our house. The card and the treat. Well, I've had many complaints about eating my treats alone, so this treat today will go to my sister. And let's open our card. Today's card is hot chocolate. But I am not feeling like making the hot chocolate myself. I guess that we will have to take a trip to the mountains in order to feel the coziness of winter days. Later today, I also want to cook a dinner and make a Christmas simmer pot, so stay tuned for that. I knew you wouldn't believe me, so here is the proof that I won't eat my treats alone. This is the hand. Here, Alice, I am giving the treat to you now, my dear. Keep it well. Fully equipped. We're here at last. High heels on the mountain is not the greatest idea. We are waiting for the chocolate, and I found myself a little friend, but he seems too sleepy. Mountain trips are always my favorite. Look at this view. We are at Buffy at the Parnitha mountain, and I am excited to try the hot chocolate and some cake. Every time that I come here, I seem to find the peace and the calmness that I am missing. Well, it is freezing. It was worth it. And plus, today I saved a life. A little fly that landed on our plate and all this syrup. I saved a life today. It was a little fly that landed on our plate, and the syrup made it really sticky. So I got the fork and tried to remove it from the plate, and then I left it on the wood. And it started cleaning itself. So just remember, save every life matters. Now we are going to take a walk here at the mountain and then head back home. This is the biggest medicine, the greatest medicine. These flies here, there are a lot of flies. It is nature, baby. I am going to put these on our simmer pot. We have found something amazing, and I am going to show you. This is what the deers are eating. Look at that! This is the first time that I see something like this in a forest. Snow White's stepmother really had a style. Now, if you don't agree, you are my enemy. Forests are the best place for adventures. You never know what you will find. Today it was apples. Next time it might be a corpse. I've also found for you Sadly, it is time to get back home. But I got a souvenir. You won't believe who I found. My little cousin. Let me help. In order to make our Christmas simmer pot, of course we will need a heat source, so I am going to light up the fireplace. Cut the orange into slices, cut some rosemary, put the cranberries, the vanilla, the cinnamon sticks, and some water, and it is ready. Nothing smells better than a simmer pot with rosemary, orange slices, cinnamon, and vanilla. For dinner today, I am going to cook some pork with potatoes and cauliflower for those that don't want to eat carbs.